Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. I'm in part of the botanic garden that is not open to the public on a regular basis. It's only open on special occasion, by appointment, and we do charge. And it's all an effort to raise money to build the endowment so we can preserve Juniper Level Botanic Garden. This is just a little vignette of the garden. This gorgeous dragon's eye pine, an improvement on the old dragon's eye pine, which is a Japanese red pine, Pinus densiflora. The old dragon's eye pine is Oculus draconis, eye of the dragon. And this selection, Burkes Red, red has nothing to, well, I guess it's Burkes Red as in red pine, has much more brightly banded with yellow. And this plant is, what do we see on the label? It was only planted about 10 years ago, so it's really done well. 2019, so that's 7 years old. I don't know what size it was when it was planted. I'm sure nothing bigger than a 3-gallon, if that. Beautiful Veronicastrum, looking a lot like a Veronica, but with these beautiful whorls of leaves around the stem. You see it's highly favored by pollinators. And a modern selection of our native hydrangea arborescens. It's cotton candy, I believe, is the cultivar. Pretty good at reading labels. Yeah, it's Candy Bell is the series, and the cultivar is cotton candy. And in the back, multiple plants lining the driveway of the Townhouse crepe myrtle, Lagerstroemia fauriei, the Japanese crepe myrtle, and white flowers for 6 weeks this time of year through June, and really dark chocolate brown bark. So check out on our Juniper Level Botanic Garden website to see when the next time these gardens will be open, and you will find your time very well spent. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again in the garden.